Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see Wi-Fi 802.11, or it is also known as IEEE 802.11. IEEE 802.11 is a part of IEEE 802 set of local area network protocols. They are the world's most widely used wireless computers networking standards. Okay. IEEE 802.11 has defined the specification for the wireless LAN, which covers physical and data link layer. Okay. In this video, we are going to just see the architecture of Wi-Fi 802.11 and the remaining of like frame format or the MAC sub layer we are going to see in the other video. So we'll start with an architecture. See, there are two kind of services provided in the Wi-Fi 802.11. What kind of services are that? BSS and ESS, that is basic service set and a extended service set. Okay, in a basic service set, it is made up of stationary or a mobile wireless station, and it is having an optional central base station known as an AP, or you can say access point. And any BSS without an AP is a stand-alone network, and it cannot send data to any other BSS. Means the data can be sent within the BSS station only. Okay. Whereas this kind of station is known as ad hoc architecture or a ad hoc network. Whereas in a infrastructure network, what happen? It is an BSS with an AP, and it can communicate via an AP and can communicate to other base stations also. So this is the basic service set. We will see the architecture or a basic diagram for it, so that you can more clearly understand what actually I was trying to tell you. See, in this diagram, as you can see, it is an ad hoc network and it is an infrastructure network. So it is an BSS without an AP, and it is an BSS with an AP. Okay. So if it can directly communicate in this station, what is in this BSS, what is going to happen? They can directly communicate. But what happen if one station want to communicate with another BSS station? They cannot communicate because it does not have an AP. Whereas in this case, they can communicate with the other BSS stations. Okay. See what is happening. If you want to communicate with another stations of another BSS, we have to use an extended service set service. Okay. So what is happening in this, we will see. Extended service set, it is made up of two or more BSS with an access point, made up of two or more BSS. As you can see in this diagram, there are three different BSS, or you can say basic service set. All are having an AP, and that all are connected to a distribution system. All the access points are connected to a distribution system. Communication between two station of one BSS, station of one BSS can communicate directly through an AP. Okay. But what is happening here, you should know. If we want to communicate with like for example, if station or if we want to communicate, if this station wants to communicate with this station, and these are obviously of different BSS, they can communicate via a access point, but it is obviously going to communicate via distribution system. Means stations sends the respective message or a frame to the access point, and that is obviously connected to the distribution system, and then it is conveyed to the message is conveyed to the respective access point, and then again the message is going to convey to the destination address. This is the way how they communicate. Means if we want to communicate, like for example, this station want to communicate with this station, they can directly communicate with the help of access point. But what happen if this station wants to communicate with this station, means both are of different BSS, they can communicate only via an distribution system. So this is the way how this extended service set works. I hope you understand the basic architecture of Wi-Fi 802.11. You should also know about IEEE 802.11 MAC sublayer and a frame format of it. Okay, for that we will see in our upcoming videos. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates, and don't forget to like my videos. Thank you.